Keeping your water systems clean and efficient just got easier with the Twist to Clean inline filter. This innovative filter is built with patented self-cleaning technology, letting you clean it in just 5 seconds without taking it apart, without depressurizing the system, and without the mess. With a 200 hash mesh 74-micron reusable cartridge, it traps suspended solids and sediments that can damage pumps, injectors, and other equipment. That means longer system life, fewer costly repairs, and less downtime. Unlike disposable filters, Twist 2 Clean is reusable and eco-friendly. You'll save money while reducing waste, making it a smarter and greener choice for your water system. Built tough and NSF certified for drinking water systems, this filter ensures safe, reliable performance for residential, commercial, and agricultural applications. And at half the price of automatic backflushing systems, it's as economical as it is effective. With the Twist to Clean inline filter, you'll get fast, mess-free cleaning in seconds, reliable protection for your equipment, durable, long-lasting performance, easy installation with everything included. If you're ready for a filter that's efficient, eco-friendly, and built to last, choose the Twist to Clean inline filter because clean water should always be simple. Shop now on growcycle.com.